Hello friends, GIMP is a great and free photo editor. Most of the time we use it, but the problem is that even after installation, its icon does not appear in the front of us. In this video, I will show you how to solve this problem. Open your browser and type the GIMP in the search bar. Click on downloads and download it. Scroll down and download GIMP 2.10 directly. It will take some time to download. As soon as it is downloaded, I start the video again. Click on run. Install for all user recommended. Click on yes. English. Yes. This is option customize, not install. First customize it. Next. Yes. Create a desktop. Click on this. Next and install. After installation, you can see the icon on the desktop. It is work. Double click on this icon and enjoy GIMP 2.10. Subscribe to my channel for more useful and informative videos. Goodbye.